go.
Fusion 10! Buhay pa ba kayo? Buhay na buhay. And before we start, let us formally introduce ourselves first. One of one!
Go beyond, we are first. One!
Yon, maraming salamat for having us here, of course. Thank you to all the sponsors, partners, and everyone who made this event truly a successful event already. Nagsisimula pa lang pero success na, of course. We'd like to thank and congratulate the director, Direct Paul, the whole team, the prod team, all the people behind this show, of course, Direct Gladys, Tita Gladys, Praxis team, and of course, everyone behind this successful event tonight. Now, before we move on, okay lang magpa-picture kami quick sa inyo, guys. Ayan, let's go, let's go.
Paalam na.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Stuck here going nowhere, trying cause I'm under all of your spell. No one can tell how I can get over. Di ba tayo muna ating pagmamahal? Pero alam ko sa bahay di magawala. And I was never seen your body, or no one can be found in you. Feel like nothing when I gave everything more than I could.
Once again, I'm Ace.
What up, I'm Alpha. Hi everyone, my name is Max.
Hello, I'm James. Hi, I'm Joker.
Hi, I'm Jason. Together we are
First One. See you again, and until then, we're leaving you guys with something, a surprise.
Ano surprise? Ano yan?
Alam mo ba,